One of the biggest growing concerns as the shutdown continues is tax returns. About 90% of IRS staff are out of work, leaving many wondering if they're getting a return at all and when it will come. KSBY's Megan Healy spoke to a tax accountant and joins us live in the newsroom with the impact of the government shutdown this tax season. Megan?
Well, Richard, now in week 3 of this partial government shutdown, nearly 800,000 federal workers are still on furlough or working without pay. And because the lack of employees, many are concerned they won't see their tax returns anytime soon.
I kind of need that money, especially since Christmas just hit.
Jonathan Michael Jenkins is a single father of 2 and says he relies on his tax return.
I usually get about $5-6 grand back every year, so with that, that's a nice chunk, and then kids and me can go on a trip for the summer or whatever.
But if his return is delayed, he will take a financial hit.
If I don't get that money, yeah, it'll be rough.
Only about 12% of IRS workers are expected to continue working during the shutdown. And local accountants say they can't even get a hold of them.
Nobody answers the phone. There's nobody there to answer the phone.
Misty Little is an accountant at Burkhart and Stevens CPAs and Advisors in San Luis Obispo. She says government shutdowns burden the accountant and the client.
Well, some people rely on that money in their budget, and so it can be very difficult to not be able to tell somebody or know when they're going to get their refund. Can be very frustrating for everybody involved.
If the government isn't opened by February, millions of Americans could also lose out in food stamps.
The only concern I have is for the people who are dependent on child credits and are dependent on food stamps and are dependent upon getting tax refunds in order to make the world work for them.
The government shutdown in 2013 delayed tax returns during the tax extension filing season.
I hope that they get their stuff together.
Accountants like Little are advising people to start filing their tax returns sooner rather than later so that they can work out any problems that may arise. And you can officially start doing that January 28th. Live in the newsroom, I'm Megan Healy, KSBY News.
All right, Megan. The IRS received 154.4 million returns by November 23rd of last year and issued an average refund of $2,899.